Have you ever heard a sentence like, the cake was eaten, and wondered, who ate the cake? Hello and welcome to English Language and Literature. Today we will be talking about the passive voice and how to use it. The passive voice is formed by using a form of the auxiliary verb be followed by the past participle of the main verb. For example, in the active voice we would say, the chef baked the cake. But in the passive voice, we simply say, the cake was baked. So the passive voice is when we focus on the action and not the person doing it. However, be careful, because not all sentences can be changed to the passive voice. Only an active voice sentence with a direct object can be made passive. Also keep in mind that when changing an active sentence to a passive sentence, the tense of the verb changes as well. Give, for example, becomes was given. Here are some example sentences using the passive voice. Example number 1. The cake was eaten. We're using the passive voice here because we don't know who ate the cake. The doer is thus unknown. Example number 2. The test was administered. Here, the passive is used because we don't need to say who gave the test. It's not important. And example number 3. He was fired. We use the passive here because the doer is obvious. Who else than the boss could fire him? If you do want to include the noun performing the action in a passive construction, so what in the active sentence is the subject, you must include it in a by phrase after the passive verb. For example, the cake was baked by the chef. Okay, let's do a quick recap. So, when should you use the passive voice? We use the passive voice when the doer isn't important, when the doer is unknown, or when the doer is obvious. If you would like to practice your new knowledge, why don't you turn the following sentence into the passive voice? My favorite channel uploaded a new video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to English Language and Literature and to check out our other content.